Hi, this is CJ with another Pinnacle Studio tutorial where I'll show you how to put a picture in picture or a video in video. The images I'm using are from Storyblocks. Link will be in the description. So to get started, I have my first clip down. This is the main clip. This is the video where I will put another video in right here in this area, right up here in the corner. So to do this, first you want to have your main video down. The video that you will put in that video has to go on top. So let me drag down the first video clip and put it right there on top. I'm going to shorten that. Bring it a little bit more over there. Now, because I have already done this previously, you can see there's an orange box around the video. That's an edit box. Well, if you don't see that, what you want to do is double click on that video clip, and that will give you the edit box. But first what we want to do is get rid of the audio in this video. So to do that, you want to click on the audio mixer, and then on AV track 1, you want to grab the master volume and drag it all the way down, and that will get rid of the video. So now we need to resize this video. So grab one of the nodes, now I'm going to reposition it right about there. Now I want to put another video in here. I want to put it next to this, but I want the size to match up with this video. So to do that, what I need is another video track to put on top of this video. So to do that, I'm going to right click, insert new track, above track. Now grab this next video clip and drag it right there on top. And you can see that since I have previously done this before, I already have that orange box around the video. So now I just need to resize it. There. Now that I've got it the same size as the other video and in the same position, I can now take this video clip and drag it down to AV track 1. Now I didn't delete the audio from this one because, like I said, I had done this previously, so I know that this video clip has no audio. So I didn't need to do that. So let's go ahead and play this. And there. And that is how you put a picture in picture or video in video. I'm CJ. Thanks for watching. And God willing, I'll see you in another video.